Easiest ways to earn money. The easiest way to earn money is by making a passive income. Passive income is the best way to make money because it allows you to work less and still be able to live comfortably. Passive income is the best way to make money because it allows you to make money while you sleep. It is the easiest way to earn money because it doesn't require any work on your end. Passive income can be earned in many different ways, including investing, real estate, stocks and bonds, royalties from intellectual property, and more. Passive income is the act of earning money without the need to expend much time or effort. Passive income is an integral part of your retirement plan. You can start investing in the stock market with a relatively small amount of money, and it can grow over time. Passive income is money that you make without actively working for it. This type of income is achieved by investing in the stock market, real estate, and a variety of other financial vehicles. While some people think that it's impossible to start investing in the stock market with a small amount of money, the truth is that it's possible to get started with as little as $10. Passive income can be an easy way to build a sizable nest egg. Some investments like index funds will be very passive and income heavy. Bonds are an attractive way to earn passive income, but bonds don't work well as a get-rich-quick investment because the real value of the investment isn't available for decades. In the meantime, you'll be owed interest on your investment, and there's always a risk that something could happen between when you invest and when you start seeing profits. This is not considered passive income in the traditional sense because although a company is paying you interest, you are having to work for that money. For example, a subscription service that promises you'll start making money the moment you sign up is passive in the traditional sense because you don't have to work for the initial investment. I'm not sure how many people have been able to get them to actually start paying. You can make money through word-of-mouth marketing, social media marketing, or even just by creating something so desirable that customers will tell their friends about it. The possibilities are endless as long as you set your mind to it. Most people may say that there is no such thing as passive income. You can make money without doing anything in the traditional sense of doing something, you just have to do it well. If you're struggling to figure out how to make money, start with your passion and work towards a product or service that people will find desirable. Make sure to click the link in the description to learn how you can start your own online business fast. Here are other ways to earn money. 1. Start a blog. Blogging is a great way to make money. You can blog about your passions and interests, share information and products you love, or even offer a service that you can provide by blogging. 2. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube can be a great source of income, but it's not always easy to figure out how to make money on YouTube. You may not realize that there are a lot of ways to earn money through YouTube, like through advertisements and partnerships. Advertisers are constantly looking for new ways to reach their audiences, and YouTube can offer a unique way to connect with these consumers. If you want to learn how to start your own YouTube channel, click the link in the description below. 3. Use social media. Social media has transformed into a powerful platform for making money. In 2017, the top 5 social media platforms were worth an estimated $450 billion. This is because people spend an average of at least 10 hours per month on these popular sites, and advertisers pay handsomely to reach this audience. These figures are even higher now in 2022 and show no sign of slowing down. So why not start making money with social media instead of wasting time scrolling through your feed? If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button so the YouTube algorithm will share this with other people. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on great content. The next video coming up contains information you will find useful, make sure to click on it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.